Clothes 101, and today I wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday recently. I got this acrylic stand like Jungkook and this keychain. It's super cute and I absolutely love this. And like, I don't know if you can see it, but like there's a standee, and then here's the keychain, and it's like a little flexible hard kind of plastic. Has this keychain right here. And yeah, and I also got a shoe too. That's in its original form. She also got me this ball pin. It's a blue pin and I absolutely love it with all my heart. It's so cute. She also got me 2 albums. She got an album that I really wanted. It was from EXO and it was version B of Kpop. And here it is. Like, I don't know if you guys want to see it, but yeah. Sorry, technical difficulties, and I just readjusted for a little bit for you guys to see. So I got the Kpop version B, and I am so excited because this was actually on my wish list from December of 2017.
And when I went to the Kpop store, when I went to Orlando, they only had version A, C, and I don't think they had the right version. I don't think so, no.
But I love this album. I love this album because the song Kpop was super good, and Touch It was really good, right? Touch It, yeah. And the quality of this is so good. And then as you can see, I have Kai as my that I got as my photo card. So yeah, a little run through for everything. So yeah. So that was version B. So I'll stick that back with Kai. And then the second album that I received was the right version. And I have it backwards and upside down. Fantastic. And I attached my camera. Anyway, so here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here it is. And this was pretty late, but I thought this is a very beautiful album. And somewhere in here, I got Namjoon with the Great Pear, Great Mon. And yeah, so here it is. And I'll quickly run through it. Oh, and she got me these Nature Republic face masks. Let me just turn the other way. I have the hand cream, but I do not know where I put it. So I got these orange face mask, like 2, and then I got 2 of these rose ones. I thought they were very good, and I wanted to try them because I never had face masks before, and I was gonna try them today to see how it works. So yeah, I just read the instructions online, and I thought it was pretty easy, and I thought, yeah, why not? And then she got me hand cream, which I thought was super convenient. I don't know if you guys can see.
But did you? I can't pronounce it correctly, obviously, because girl can't speak Korean, even though I'm trying to learn it. Yeah. The scent is very nice. It's like, I would say a melony smell, I would say. And yeah.
Okay, wait. The next thing was from another person. She is super sweet and she drew this. Not from the same person, not this. She drew me a lot of things. I wanted to show you the ones that are K-pop related. Anyways, so yeah, she got this. she drew this, and there's like a little message on the back. I won't show that, but it's like a Shuki, a Mang, and Suga doing this derpy face, and it is so cute because, like, do you not see that? It's so funny. That's super funny, and I hung that up on my wall, and I just want to show it to you guys because it is so hilarious. And yeah, I thought, yeah. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Bye.